Trying to decide between a 15 amp and a 20 amp outlet? Here's what you need to know. A 15 amp outlet is perfect for everyday items, like lamps, TVs, computers, and small kitchen appliances. But if you're plugging in high-powered devices such as air conditioners, microwaves, or power tools, you'll need a 20 amp outlet with the right wiring and a matching circuit breaker. Always check your appliance's amp rating and make sure your outlet matches your circuit's capacity. Never install a 20 amp outlet on a 15 amp circuit, as this can be a safety hazard. When in doubt, consult a licensed electrician and follow local codes.